Okay, here's your spray patterns. That's pretty strong. Then there's this one. That's pretty strong also. Nice kind of rainfall pattern. Then there's a cone spray that's hard to get on camera, but it gets pretty wide. And then there's the last one. It's supposed to be off, but it doesn't turn completely off. So, hold on. So this is the last one, and it doesn't turn completely off. It kind of just trickles like that. And then they have this little nozzle on top, which is a power sprayer, and they're not kidding about that. Like that's a crazy strong spray, but I do wish it did turn off. But I do have an on-off valve from my last one that I can install, so no big deal. It is a really nice sprayer. It is all plastic though. So be aware of that. It is not like a metal touch like one of these is. It's all plastic. But it works great, and I like it, and I would recommend it, except for the off doesn't fully turn off.